Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can easily submit new tasks for our designers to work on from your Magic Design personal dashboard. And it only takes a few steps. You go to Create Request in the top right corner, you click Create Request, select your design package, click Next, and then you go, this template appears basically, and you can fill it out with all the information that our designer would need to get the designs delivered. So the title of the task would be something like, well, it depends on the task obviously, but in this case, for example, let's take social media posts for Mother's Day campaign. You write that down, you select social media content, you describe what you had in mind, the concept behind the campaign, maybe any like background information the designer should know. And you can also, if you want, record a Loom video or like a screen share video and add a link here to it, just with your sharing your thoughts and what the concept is that you had in mind. You can also note down the size and dimension of the graphic you need. So for example, carousel post 1080 times 1080 pixels and in PDF format, but you can also select it here, the PDF. So how should the designs be exported? Can you say exported? But yeah, you can select PDF, for example, or JPEG or both. And in the inspiration section here, you can paste links to, any accounts that you like, any posts that you like the look of, and our designers will use them as reference as well. And also, if you have any screenshots that you took throughout the day, you can upload them as files here. And that's it. Basically, that's how you create a request. You just have to click Create Request on the bottom right corner, and then it is submitted, and it will be in your submitted tasks section in your dashboard. That's it. Hope this helps, and if you have any questions, then leave a comment down below and we'll get to it right away. Bye!